Apple CarPlay helps you safely use all the things you love about your iPhone while you drive. Setting up Apple CarPlay on your Acura is easy. Plus, you have the choice to use wireless or wired connectivity. For best results, Acura recommends that you ensure that your iPhone is using the latest software. To use wired connectivity, use an approved USB cable and plug it into your iPhone and into the USB data port of your Acura. Once plugged in, select Enable Apple CarPlay. You can also choose to enable Acura Link Assist. On your phone, select USB only if you only wish to use wired connectivity and accept any other permissions your phone might ask for. To use wireless connectivity, select Apple CarPlay. Then select Connect Phone. Then select Connect New Device. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Search for the name of your vehicle on the phone screen and select it. It may also appear as Hands-Free Link. If a pairing code appears, confirm that the number is the same and select Pair on your iPhone and on the vehicle screen. Then select Enable Wireless CarPlay on your iPhone. Then select Enable Apple CarPlay on the vehicle screen. You can also choose to enable Acura Link Assist. Now your iPhone will connect automatically for CarPlay anytime you start your Acura and have your phone with you. If you are having any issues with wireless connectivity, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Make sure your phone isn't being used as a hotspot. And if there are any other iPhones nearby, turn off Bluetooth on them, power them down, or put them in airplane mode. And if you want to remove your phone from wireless CarPlay use, go to Settings, then Connections, then Apple CarPlay, then select your phone. You can then select Disconnect. To exit the CarPlay screen, just select the Acura logo on the screen or select Home on the touchpad. Connecting to and using Apple CarPlay is just one of Acura's amazing technology features. To learn more about CarPlay and all of the Acura lineup, visit the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.